Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. Old Rusty behind me, probably saw in the last video, old Rusty turning back up from the spray shop. It's now time to rip all this off and do all the belts and stuff like that. It's -4 here, so obviously today, but actually I had my Oompa Loompa suit on to start with, but actually it's quite nice in the sunshine. So I hope you can see me in the nice bright light, but apparently you want to see me do some work, so I shall have a go at putting this on that time-lapse thing. Something else for me to learn, but anyway, I'm going to have a little go at ripping the front off Rusty here, because I need to spray all this up, clean all this up and put a new radiator in it, because the radiator's a bit toasty. While I'm in there, I might as well do the belts as well. So yeah, time-lapse, here we go. Someone has put a Jubilee clip on in the most bizarre place, and I can't get to it. So I will come back in a second. I'll pause this and come back to you. Okay, I'm back. That was a really stupid place to put a Jubilee clip, but anyway, onwards. Right, another nasty Jubilee clip. I'll see if I can get in there and get it out, but I'll leave the camera running. Let's go. Well, hope you can see that. I think that needed a new one. Good job I didn't leave that in there. I think that's a bit toasty. Wow. Look at that! Rusticles! Wow! Right, so that's the rad out. I shall carry on dealing with piles of rust. Well, she's rusty after all, that's what she's called, Old Rusty. Yeah, I shall carry on with that, get all this sprayed up, and then we go back a little bit further and tackle the next bit. See you in a minute. Welcome back. As you see, I've changed. We're not still in the same day, let alone the same week. Unfortunately, COVID struck. I didn't think that was still a thing now, but it did. I got it. Been rough for a week. So I've had a couple of days of little pottering, but I thought I'd do another video to tell you where I'm at. So here we are, and the sun is shining, the temperature's gone right up, it's not raining, and I've got Ogre here as well, which I will, hang on. Dun dun dun. Ogre's in the house, the sun's probably on it, but hang on. Have a quick run around. There she is, look. She's been in lots of videos. As it's sunny, I thought I'd get the old girl out. Old, I say old, 10 years now. But anyway, here we go. Right, where were we? COVID, yes, nasty. It's the last time I'm going to talk about it. But put me off for a week, but I'm back. So I thought we'd have a little potter around. I thought I'd get this bottom pulley off first, which everyone says is a bit of a ball ache, and they're right, it was. It all come off in one big lump, won't come off any other way. So there is a special puller for these, but as a typical Land Rover owner, I haven't got one of them. You just make it up. But anyway, that's that. So here we are again. So I've got this front cover to take off now. Let's line you up. And well, should we do the speed up thing again? Ready? Go. Sorry, I had to concentrate, which is very hard for me. If my wife was here, she'd tell you that. But anyway, here we go. And do you think that was worth changing? I think it just might have been. There you go. So that's where we are. That was a bit of fun. I won't bore you with all the cleaning details and stuff, but yeah, that's the belt. So all I've got to do now is I'm going to clean all that up, start taking it apart, and we'll go from there. And I'll probably do another little video of me putting it all back together. Some of you actually want to see that, but a numpty doing numpty stuff on a Land Rover. But anyway, that's where I am. Glad to be back of my near-death experience, and I will sort all this out. In the meantime, just before I left the part 1 of this video, I did start a couple of the tractors next door, which I'll just add on to the end of this as a bit of a laugh. The second one's quite funny, as my friend Roger was starting it and it was so smoky because it was -4. He kind of disappeared, but you'll watch it, you'll have a laugh, and I will see you on the next one when we start putting this back together.